Good morning, Accelerated Biology students. Mr. Adair here. Just wanted to make a short introductory video for the week so you have a idea of what's going on in our class this week. This week is going to be a little bit more busy, so make sure you stay on top of all of your work. So I'm just in our Schoology page right now, and I'm going to go to week 2. And what I did this week is labeled every single day this week and the work that you need to do for those days, Monday through Friday. However, keep in mind that your work is actually due Saturday evening at 11:59 p.m. So you can pace yourself. However, I recommend that you pace it out how I have it, so you stay up to date. So on Monday, and in addition, I'm going to make some other videos that go with each lesson. But for today, Monday, September 14th, you need to read over the what is considered living PowerPoint, and then do the living versus non-living assignment. Tuesday, you're going to learn a little bit about viruses. Wednesday, you're going to work on your totem organism project, and there'll be a video for that too. Thursday, we're going to talk about scientific thinking, and Friday will be a practice quiz and a day to make sure you get all of your work caught up. All right, this is just a short video to introduce the week. Make sure you go into these folders, and if you see videos inside each of these folders, make sure you watch those, which will help you stay caught up. All right, have a great day and have a great week. Thanks.